Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Yeah, hanging out on Mike's channel. Now, listen, the reason why I'm here is because I wanted me a salad. Yes, and only I know how to make my salad just right. Y'all, this salad has green leaf lettuce, diced tomatoes, chopped red bell peppers, chopped yellow onions, and also cubed ham, shredded cheddar cheese, sliced boiled eggs, and pineapple cubes, along with my favorite salad dressing, which is Thousand Island. Yes, it is. Now, I also fixed Maddie a salad, and she loves a ranch dressing without the pineapples in the salad, okay? Now, the reason why we did it ourselves is because y'all know Mike, he's not a salad eater. He is the real deal soul food eater, and there is nothing you can give him based upon what we got. A salad that's going to satisfy him when it comes to food. So this is what the girls are eating today. And honey, man, so